Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, and here's our math lesson for today. Alrighty, let's start with our I can statement. I can recognize and make use of part-whole relationships within tape diagrams when solving a variety of problem types. Okay, what do we need to do to this I can statement? What do we need to do? We need to break it down. Break it down. Say it with me. I can. Say it with me. I can. Recognize. Recognize. What do you think that might mean? If you recognize it, you might know it or see it. So recognize means know or see it. All right, so I can know it or see it and make use. So we're going to use part-whole relationships. You know what part-whole relationships reminds me of? Right, a number bond. And in our number bond, I'm going to draw one right here. What do we have? We have our whole, right? That's at the top of our number bond. I didn't make this big enough. Let me make it a little bigger. We have our whole. And then we have our two parts. And here's another one. Right? Because part plus part equals whole, right? Part, whole for addition. Nice job. Relationship. So we need to remember it's part plus part equals whole. And I'm going to write that above. Part plus part equals whole. Within tape diagrams. Oh boy, we're using those tape diagrams again. And I'm going to draw our pictures of the tape diagram, right? We have our two parts, and then those two numbers usually come together to get our whole. When we're solving something, what are we doing? We're finding the answer. A variety of problem types. So if we have a variety, we're going to have lots, right? Lots of different ones. So I'm going to have a lot of problem types. These types of problems we're going to be doing are math stories. This is one jam-packed I can statement. Okay, let's read it back together, okay? All right, I can know or see it and use the part, whole relationship. So part plus part equals whole within tape diagrams when we're finding the answer to a lot of math stories. How do we feel about this, boys and girls? We did some of it yesterday, and we're going to keep going with it. We're going to keep moving with those tape diagrams and math stories. How do we feel about this, boys and girls? Happy I got it yesterday, Miss Hurley, and I'm going to get it again today. Nice job. In the middle. It was tricky yesterday. With help, I think I can do it. You know what? I know you can do it. Sad, Miss Hurley, math stories make me nervous. And you know what? We're going to get through this together. All right. Now, boys and girls, please get out your whiteboard and marker. Because guess what I've got? A math story. What do we do with a math story? First, we need to read, right? Then we need to draw the picture. Last, we need to write the number sentence and the statement. Nice job. RDW. Read, draw, write. What kind of drawings do you think we're going to do today? It was in our I can statement. Right, we're going to do tape diagram drawings. Nice job. Okay. Ready? The first time I read the story, I want you to just listen. The second time I read the story, I want you to get that marker moving and grooving. All right, turn your listening ears on. Are you ready? Here is our story. Okay, ready? There were 6 turtles in the tank. Dad bought some more turtles. Now there are 12 turtles in the tank. Alrighty, I'm gonna read it again, and you're gonna get that marker moving and grooving. Okay. There were 6 turtles in the tank. Dad bought some more turtles. Now there are 12 turtles in the tank. All right, go ahead and get started, boys and girls. I'm going to erase my board so we can do it together. Get started. Get that marker moving and grooving. Okay. All righty. I'm going to read it one more time. All right. There were 6 turtles in the tank. Dad bought some more turtles. Now there are 12 turtles. How many turtles did Dad buy? Alrighty. We know how many turtles did they start with, boys and girls? 6. All right, so let's start our tape diagram with how many? 6. Okay. Can we see? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my first piece of tape. I'm going to put a box around it. My piece of tape around it. All right. What do you think I should label this piece of tape? There were 6 turtles in the tank. Tank. Right. I'm going to label it T for tank. And we had how many? 6. Dad went and bought some more turtles. Now there are 12 turtles. Okay. He went and bought some more turtles, right? Now there are 12. So our whole is 12. So it's going to be 6 plus a mystery number equals 12. So let's write that down. 6 plus a mystery number equals 12. All right, boys and girls, I'd like you to come back up to that tape diagram. Let's count on from 6 and draw our circles in our tape. So we have 6, draw with me. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stopping at 12. All right. How many circles did you draw, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's our mystery number? Forgot to write that in. What's our mystery number? Right, it's 6. So, boys and girls, how many turtles did the dad buy? I'll label this piece of tape B because he bought them. How many did he buy, boys and girls? We just solved it. How many? Right, 6. So your statement would be, Dad bought six chickens, ducks. What did he buy? Turtles. Dad bought 6 more turtles, and I should have written more in there, but you could just say Dad bought 6 turtles. Very nice job, boys and girls. All right, erase your board. Okay. Very nice job. Very nice job. How do you feel about using tape diagrams with math stories? Happy, I see it, Miss Hurley. I like using them. I think they're a great tool. In the middle, I'm okay with them. They're okay. Thumbs down, I don't like them. They don't make sense to me. And that's okay too, because we're all still learning. All right, I'd like you to get out your worksheet. We're going to work on it together, okay? All right, let's look at the first one, okay? The first one. This box right here is where we are going to draw our tape diagram. This box is not very big. You need to draw the picture small, kind of small. Okay, ready? Follow along with me. Farmer Mac got 8 bottles of milk from the cow. And Mrs. Bess got 11 bottles of milk. How many bottles of milk did they get all together? I want you to hear, when you hear all together, I want you to think the number is going to get bigger. I'm going to be doing addition. They're giving you the 2 parts and you need to find the whole. Remember our part whole relationship? Part plus part equals whole. Super duper important, boys and girls. Okay, you're following along with me. You're writing these answers right here. We're doing it together. Okay, Farmer Mac got 8 bottles of milk from the cow. Okay, let's start with our tape diagram. We can start with 8. Ready? Do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to put my piece of tape around it. And I'm going to label it with 8 so I remember. And whose milk was this? Farmer Mac. So I'm going to write Farmer Mac. Mac. I'm going to write the letter M. And you could have labeled it with an F for farmer. Doesn't matter, just so you know. Okay? Mrs. Bess got 11 bottles of milk. So now we need to draw her 11. Draw with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. And I'm going to go like this. I'm going to box it. I'm going to put my tape on it. And this is for Mrs. Bess. Beth. All right. We're going to label it B. And how many bottles of milk did she get? Right? 10. 1 is 11. And they want to know, boys, girls, how many all together? All together. Right? So here's our 2 parts. I want you to think of this as a number bond. So we have part. We're looking for our whole. Remember, part plus part equals whole. So we need to add these 2 numbers together. All right, let's write our number sentence down. 8 plus 11 equals our mystery number, the number we don't know yet. But you know what? We're going to figure it out. All right. How would we like to solve this? Love it. Let's count on. Which number is bigger, 11 or 8? 11, right? Because 11 is a 2-digit number. Okay, so we have 11. We can use our fingers or we can count our picture. Let's count our picture since we have it. All right, you have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So what's our mystery number, boys and girls? How many bottles of milk do they have all together? 19. 19 is our whole. All right, and on your paper, so you should have this beautiful picture written. You should have your number sentence filled in. And let's fill in the statement together. All right, they got blank bottles of milk. How many? So I have to write this out. They got blank bottles of milk. And how many bottles of milk do they have all together? 19. Very nice job. Alrighty, you should have that all filled in right up top. Nice job. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Alright, I'm going to erase my board. Okay, let's look at the next one right here. All right, remember we need to RDW. Read, draw, write. All right, first I'm going to read. Ready? Okay, Jill picked 15 apples from the apple tree. Then she picked some more apples. Now she has 20. How many more apples did Jill pick? I'm going to read this one again. Listen closely. Listen super duper closely. Are they giving us the two parts and we have to find the whole? Or are they giving us one part and the whole? Listen closely. Ready? Jill picked 15 apples from the apple tree. Then she picked some more apples. Now she has 20. Oh, you're right. Oh my goodness. So smart. Kiss your brain. You're right. They're giving us one of the parts and the whole. Good job. All right. Love it. Okay. So let's start our tape diagram. How many are we going to draw to begin? Right. 15. Do this with me, boys and girls. Remember, you have to draw pretty small. That box is teeny weeny. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! And I'm going to put my tape on it. Okay. And your tape is boxed it up. Okay. And this was, Jill picked 15 apples from the apple tree. So this is how many she originally picked, right? 15, so let's label it 15 so we remember. And this is, Jill picked 15 apples from the apple tree. So we could put picked. P, nice. Then she picked some more, right? Now she has 20 apples. So 20 is our whole. So what would our number sentence be? Is it going to be, remember, this is our number bond. We have part plus part equals whole. How could we write this number sentence? Right, 15 plus our mystery number, our number we don't know yet, equals 20. Nice job. Okay, let's count on to solve this. We have 15, do this with me, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many more did she pick? How many more? I'm going to label this M for more. How many more? 5. Nice job. And you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so our mystery number is 5. Please fill that in. Nice job. Are we done, boys and girls? Got my picture, got my number sentence. What am I missing? My statement. We can't forget our statements. Those are super duper important. Super duper important. All right, and our statement is Jill picked blank more apples. So it says Jill, I'm going to write it. Jill picked blank more apples? How many more apples did she pick, boys and girls? What was the mystery number we found? 5. Nice job. You are rocking it. Love it. Woo! All right, make sure you have that all filled in right there. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time to make sure you stay with me. Okay, I'm going to erase my board. Okay, let's look at the next one. Oh boy, Jill. It's back to Jill. Let's see what she's up to now. Okay, we're looking at the third one. 1, 2, 3, number 3. Okay, it says, Jill and Tim caught 17 fish at the lake. Wow. They gave some to Grandma. They have 9 fish left. How many fish did they give to Grandma? All right, I read this story, but you know what? I'm going to read it again because it was a little tricky. We got a lot of characters. I'm getting a little confused, but don't worry. Let's read it again. Let's take a step back. Let's read it again. All right, ready? Jill and Tim caught 17 fish at the lake. They gave some to Grandma. They have 9 left. How many fish did they give to Grandma? We have to think about our part-whole relationship. So I'm going to draw my number bond over here because this one's tricky. And feel free to find some space somewhere on your paper to do a number bond as well. All right, so we know Jill and Tim caught 17 fish at the lake. What do you think that is, a part or the whole? They caught 17 all together. Right, the whole, because that's all of their fish. So 17 is going to go in our hole. All right. They gave some to Grandma. Do we know how many they gave to Grandma? No, they don't say how many they gave to Grandma. So that's our mystery number. Plus, they have 9 fish left. So 9 is the number we know. That's how many they kept for themselves. But they gave some to Grandma because who doesn't want to give Grandma fish? Grandmas are so sweet. Okay, so we have 17's our whole. We have our mystery part. We have 9 as the part we know. All right, so what do we need to do next? RDW, read, draw, write. Right, we need to draw our picture. All right, I'm going to draw 9. You should do this too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put my tape around it. And this 9, I'm going to write a 9 above it so I remember, just in case, is how many fish they have left. Left. I'm going to label it L for left, right? We know our whole is 17, right? We want to know how many did they give to Grandma? Grandma. Gee, nice job. So how many did they give to Grandma? What would be our mystery number sentence? Remember, part plus part equals our whole. What would our number sentence be? Good job. It's going to be 9 plus a mystery number equals 17. All right, let's count on and draw our circles in to solve this question. All right, so we have 9. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Whew. All right, now we got to go back and count our circles to figure out how many circles did we draw. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many fish did they give to Grandma? Right, 8. Very nice job. So our mystery number that you will fill in is 8. All right, are we done? Woohoo! Wash my hands, all done? No, we need to write our statement, right? How many fish did they give to Grandma? They, and your statement's already written, you just have to fill in the blank, gave blank fish to Grandma. And how many fish did they give to Grandma? 8. Nice job. Alrighty, awesome job. Remember, if you don't have this, you can always pause the video. Okay, I'm going to erase my board. Very nice job. All right, should we do another one together? Awesome, I can't wait. All right, ready? RDW. Read, draw, write. First, we need to read the story. Then we need to draw the picture. What's our picture going to be? A tape diagram. Then we need to write our number sentence and our statement. Nice job. Ready? Click those listening ears on. Okay. Tim has 12 blueberries in his basket. Jill came by and ate 5. How many blueberries are left in Tim's basket? Okay, ready? Ready? Here's our second time reading it. Tim has 12 blueberries in his basket. So where is the 12 going to go? If we have a number bond here, because we want to do our part whole relationship. Okay, so 12. He has 12 blueberries in his basket. Jill came by and ate 5. How many blueberries are left in his basket? So is she giving him more blueberries, boys and girls? Is our number getting bigger? No, she's eating them. The number's going to be small. We're looking for a number smaller. So 12 is going to be our whole. And 5, because she ate 5, is going to be our part. 5. Okay. Part plus part equals whole. So we're looking for a mystery part. Okay. That is there we go. Here we go. Question mark. There we go. Much better. That was tricky. Okay. What do we need to do now, boys and girls? Right, we need to draw our picture, our tape diagram picture. All right, we'll start with 5, because we know Jill. She snacked on 5 blueberries. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put my tape around it. And that's Jill. She ate 5. I'm going to name it Jill because Jill, she ate 5. And I'm going to label it with a 5. All right, I need to count on, right? To figure out how many does Tim have left? So what would my number sentence be, boys and girls? Right, 5 plus a mystery number, and we can look at our number bond up top, equals 12. Nice job. All right, let's count on. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many more did we have to draw? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to label it 7. And these are the ones that Tim has. Okay. So what was our mystery number, boys and girls? 7. Nice job. Because 5 plus 7 equals 12. These are our 2 parts. We were trying to get to 12. Nice job. All right, are we done? No, we can't forget our statement. Okay, there are blank berries in the basket. How many? We'll say, what was it? There, I'm gonna run out of room. There are, how many? 7 was the mystery number. 7 berries in the, you can see it down here, okay, basket. period. Very nice job, boys and girls. Love it. Awesome job. All right, turn to the next page. I'm going to erase my board. Okay, great job, boys and girls. All right, I'd like you to look at this page. Now you can't cut out the pictures because it's double-sided. So I'd like you to redraw these two tape diagrams in these boxes, and it says directions. Choose a tape diagram and glue in the box, but you can't cut it because it's because I didn't copy it correctly. And then write a problem that tells about the tape diagram. So, boys and girls, you get to create your own math stories. Doesn't that sound super fun? I think so too. All right, so I'd like you to, we have our two tape diagrams on the side. We have 14, 1, and 15. That'll be going there. And then you have 13 plus 4 is 17. I'd like you to draw those pictures in the gray boxes. And then I can't wait to listen and read your math stories that go with those pictures. I'm so super excited. I cannot wait. All right, I'd like you to do that on your own. I can't wait to hear your stories. Okay, then flip to this page. We did this type of math last week, but you know what? It was super duper tricky that we're gonna keep working on it, okay? All right, let's do number 1 together, okay? All right, number 1 says 14 plus 15. Okay, I'm gonna write that on my board. You already have it written because you have a nice fancy paper. All right, we have 14 plus 15 equals a mystery number, a number we don't know yet. Well, we're gonna figure it out. Okay, all right, remember from last week, we wanna break down the smaller number. Which number is smaller, boys and girls? Right, the 14. And how would you say 14 the say 10 way? 10, 4. Beautiful. So we'll break the 14 into a 10 and a 4. And you already have it broken down on your paper. Okay, so we have our first number sentences. Blank plus blank equals blank. All right, let's add our tens first, since this is a 2-digit addition sentence. 2 digits plus 2 digits. All right, so we're gonna have 15 plus 10. All right, broke the 14 down. I'm using the 15 and I'm using the 10. All right, 15 plus 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. Nice job. 5 plus 0 is 5. See, I'm adding the numbers that are in the tens house. There's 2 ones. And the numbers in the ones house. So I got 25. Nice job. Okay, now, am I done? No, not yet. All right, so I have 25, right? Plus, and these are your blanks, equals blank. What number have I not used yet, boys and girls? What number have you not used yet? 4. So I'm gonna put my 4 here. Almost there, almost there. All right, so I'm gonna have 25 plus 4. What number am I gonna put in my head? We're gonna count on? Put 25 in your head and we're gonna count up 4. Ready? Do it with me. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Very nice job. All right, and then I'm gonna write my number back up on the top so we know 14 plus 15 equals what? 29. Woo-hoo-wee. All right, I wanna write that a little neater. Okay, equals 29. Was that one of our options on the side? Yes, it was. So you can exit out because you know you've used it and go to the next one. All right, let's do one more together, okay, boys and girls? Alrighty, I'm gonna erase my board. Remember, if you didn't have that written down, you can always pause the video. Okay, ready? Look at number 2. 12 plus 14. equals a mystery number, a number we don't know yet. Okay. Remember, we want to break down the smaller number. Which number is smaller, 12 or 14? 12, nice job. What would we break 12 down to? If we're going to say it the say 10 way. 10, 2. Okay, beautiful. A 10 and a 2. Alrighty, let's add our 10s together first. So what's our first number sentence going to be? Blank plus blank equals blank. And what is this number sentence? We're going to add our 10s together first. We broke down the 12. We're going to add 14 and 10. Nice job. 10 more than 14 is what? Some of you might just know it, but if you don't, you can always go. 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. Nice job. Am I done? No, but I used my 10s. I can say I used those. What's the only number I have not used yet? 2. So I need to add 24. Here's our next blank. 24 plus 2 equals the number we want. Put 24 in your head and we're going to count up. Do it with me. 24, 25, 26. Nice job. And I'm going to write it back up top. 26. Alrighty. Very nice job. Okay. Boys and girls, I've loved working with you today. I can tell you've been working so hard. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. I'm going to let you finish the rest of these on this page. So you have to do 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget, I want to hear your math stories. I cannot wait. Remember, try your best. I miss you so very much. Remember, wash your hands. Love you. Bye.